Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Ankr coin. My friends, what's going on in this time in Ankr? My friends, if you are a holder of Ankr coin, so keep watch this video till the end because this video is very important for all of you. In this video, I'm talking about the Ankr urgent update. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos. So friends, the latest price update of the Ankr coin, you can see here 0.1 USD dollar is the latest price update of the Ankr coin. On the other side, if you look the Ankr Bitcoin price, so 0.0000298 Bitcoin is the price of the Ankr coin in a BTC. Same like that, if you look the market cap, so the market cap you can see here, that is the market cap, and 24 hours trading volume, available supply of the Ankr, and total supply of the Ankr you can see here. Now you can easily read on the screen, my friends. On the other side, my friends, if you look the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so the Ankr coin you can see here last 1 hour pricing is negative. That's mean that the dumping time of Ankr coin or starts now at this time, my friends. So now at this time the Ankr coin is fast down, so you have to hold. Does not mean that the funding time of the Ankr coin start now, so you decide to sell. No, that's not a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. You have to hold. Remember, if you hold, you will get a profit, and if you sell, so you will get loss or nothing, my friends. 24 hours price change is positive, so that's mean there's a lot of chances in the future to take a jump, my friends. The price change is positive, so that's mean that there is a chances they take a jump in the future. Anyways, let me show you, friends, the price chart of the Ankr coin. You can see here from this point the Ankr changed his direction. I hope if we do a technical analysis, so fast down, after fast take a jump. Now they bounce with the support line, so it's time to take a jump, my friends. On the basis of technical analysis, I predict that the huge pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.